Hey guys, this is Papa Cleve, and I'd like to welcome you back to our channel. Once again, if you like the information I'm giving you and you enjoy the content, feel free to like and subscribe. What I'm telling you about today is I've got some good bargains at the bin store. I'm sure you guys probably have a lot of bin stores or pallet stores in your area. You just have to look around and find them. But I happen to like to go to the dollar bin day. And I got some very interesting finds I think you would like to see. And without any delay and any further ado, come a little closer. Guys, right off the bat, I got to digging into the bins. I say, what the hell is this? All wrapped up in this plastic like this. I took it out and I said, oh snap! It's a power converter, so it can use a power tool battery, run like a Power Wheels toy or anything that you want to run using that battery. And I said, well, wow, I wonder what kind of battery it fits. So I researched it and stuff. I got to looking around and I said, whoa, Milwaukee. I happen to have a Milwaukee 18-volt lithium battery. So let's go ahead and check this thing out and see if it works and see if it's really worth $1. Okay, let's go ahead and hook it up to our digital voltmeter and see if it actually works. We're locked in. Let's go ahead and get a voltage reading. We should get 18 volts. Let's see what we do, what we get here. And there we go, 18.33 volts. Another great find. Okay guys, here's another unusual find. I don't know how to pronounce this. This is like a Chung Chu replacement water filter model F9999. The good thing about it is I got to look at this thing. I said, hell, this fits my refrigerator. And it does. It fits the Gibsons and Frigidaire models. And these things normally go for about $25 on eBay, but I got these for $1. Actually, I got 4 of them, so I am good to go. I opened the box and still sealed in plastic and everything, so you never know what you're gonna find at the dollar bin store. When you go and dig through these bins, always, I say always, check every damn box. I was saying to myself, what the hell could be in this old beat up box? There's a hole in here and everything. I opened it up and voila, there's a nice wall lamp that's wall mountable, or you can put it desk mountable. But the thing I like about it is it runs on 3 AAA batteries, and you just turn it on, and it's got different types of lights. It's got the warm, daylight, off, and then warm mixed with daylight. And you can rotate the light to shine down or up. And when it's mounted on the wall, you just mount it like this, close it, flush against the wall, just cut it off. And when you need it, just rotate it out, and you're good. It even came with, I couldn't get, this is a trip. It even came, I don't know if you can see this, but it's like a bubble level so that when you mount it on the wall, you can get it level. Looks like they thought of everything. Well, for $1, I'll take it. I sure will. It's amazing some of the things you can find. Really amazing. I'd like to thank you guys for taking out the time to watch the videos with me and look at the few little items that I can get real cheap. And I really enjoy doing this kind of stuff, and hopefully you guys enjoy watching. Just stay tuned for more videos like this, and if you like it, go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. I guarantee you, some of these things I find can sometimes get to be funnier and funnier. Until next time, let's do it. Liam, take us away.
Thanks for watching. Bloop.